Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making pasta al limon. To begin, using a vegetable peeler, remove 2 inches long strips of lemon zest. Thinly slice each strip lengthwise into thin strands. Then set them aside for serving. Grate the rest of the lemon zest into a large pot. Then cut the same lemon in half and reserve the juice. We are going to need about 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Now in the pot, before you turn the heat on, add in 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Turn the heat to medium and bring to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add in 6 tablespoons of cold butter. The butter needs to be cold so it emulsifies well. If the butter is melted, it will break in the sauce and it will not emulsify well. We are whisking 1 tablespoon at a time until it melts completely. This is basically a beurre monté. Beurre monté is the French term for emulsified butter sauce. Once the butter has melted and sauce is creamy and emulsified, remove from the heat. Now in a large pot of water over high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of salt. Add in 12 ounces of spaghetti or any long pasta and cook al dente. Cook the pasta 2 minutes shy of the total cooking time on the package direction. The pasta will finish cooking in the sauce. Reserve 3/4 of a cup of the pasta water. Now return the sauce to medium heat. Transfer the pasta directly from the pot into the sauce. There is no need to drain the pasta in this particular recipe. Once you have transferred the pasta, add in the reserved pasta water. Then add in about 3/4 of a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. However, do not add all the cheese at once. Cook, tossing often and adding Parmesan little by little until the cheese is melted and the sauce is creamy, about 3 minutes. After the cheese has melted and the sauce is creamy, remove from the heat. Then add in 2 tablespoons of the reserved lemon juice. Go ahead and give it a toss to incorporate the lemon juice in. And that is it. Plate it up and enjoy. Garnish with the reserved lemon zest and freshly ground black pepper. Now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, pasta al limon. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.